Hello! Today I will show you how to set up Google account privacy checkup. To start, open Google. Then choose your profile icon and pick Google account. Then choose Data and Privacy option and choose Review suggestions below privacy suggestions available. Here you can make a plan for your account. Like decide when Google should consider your account to be inactive and what we do with your data afterwards. Then you can review your web and app activity settings, review your timeline settings, review your YouTube history settings, review how your ads are personalized, review what profile info others see, review your third-party connections, review how your phone numbers are used, review choices for linked Google services, review what you share on YouTube, and review preferences for face grouping. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.